everyone, I'm Annesha Chandra. I'm doing BBA in Hotel and Hospitality from EIILM-Kolkata. Today we are doing a dish which is Goan Red Rice. Let's do it.
So for making Goan red rice, we need the following ingredients. We have boiled rice, we have red bell pepper which is chopped, we have onion chop, we have garlic chop, we have ginger chop, and there are certain masalas. We have cumin, we have mustard, we have red chili and some red mango powder, and we have some tomato puree as well. So we'll start. Put oil. We'll let the oil heat for 2 minutes. Now we will put the flavorings, the masalas. We'll put some mustard. Put some cumin. We'll put some onion. We'll put some garlic and ginger. Little more of ginger. Little bit of salt. We'll put the red bell peppers. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Now we'll put some tomato puree. Little of pepper. Now when we don't get the raw flavor, when the masala is cooked, we'll put the rice. put some salt. We'll put some raw mango powder. Little more of pepper powder. Lastly, we will season with little bit of lemon juice. Our rice is ready.
So our dish is ready. Do try it at home and let us know in the comment below. Thank you.